Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel sharing knowledge video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to change guest operating system display to full screen mode on VMware, and also will show you how to install VMware tools in a Windows guest operating system. Okay, once you have installed Windows 11 or any other operating system on VMware workstation, to enter the full screen mode, you need to install a small tool called VMware Tools. VMware Tools allow you to enable all the features of Windows 11 or any other operating system on VMware workstation. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video and subscribe channel. Okay, let's start. Go to Operating System Virtual Machine toolbar, then click on Player button on the Virtual Machine toolbar, then cursor move down to Manage, then select Install VMware Tools and then click Install. After for a while, you will see the notification on the screen, VMware Tools ready to install on Virtual CD DVD drive. Then go to Virtual CD DVD drive, then click on Setup to start the installation process from the Virtual CD DVD drive. Then you can choose typical, complete or custom installation, what you want you can choose, and then click Next. Once complete the installation, click on Finish. Then you will see the dialog box, you must restart your virtual machine. Click Yes to restart. After the restart, now Windows 11 virtual machine working very well on VMware. You are done. Now you can adjust your recommended display screen resolutions. I hope this video helped for you. Thanks for watching and supporting. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Your contribution is more confidence. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you next video. Bye. Take care.